Did you know that Windows 11 has a secret Amoled theme? Because in this video, I will show you how you can enable it. Oh, and by the way, if you are interested in my current desktop wallpaper, make sure that you check out the first link in the video description. Now, to enable this secret Amoled theme, you will need a third-party application called WinPaletter, which works wonderfully with Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So, to install WinPaletter, go to this GitHub page as you see on my current screen. On this website, click on the releases in the bottom right corner. And here, make sure that you scroll down and select the .exe file, which is called winpaletter.exe file. Click on it, and this should actually start the download. And once you have the file, you can then open it by left click, and you will see this screen which says Windows protected your PC. Click on more information and then click run anyway. Once the application is opened, you should see this screen. And what's actually new in this brand new version 1.08. So here, just press on the X on the top right corner, and here make sure that you navigate to the WinPaletter store at the top function menu. Click on it, and once it's open, you should see a plenty of themes to choose from. So for the sake of this video, I will pick the Amoled theme, which is made by WinPaletter. Click on it, and down below you should see apply button. If you want, you can also edit the theme by yourself or save it as. Here, click apply, then here select this button where it says proceed with all are selected. Click on this, and this should restart the File Explorer as well as apply the Amoled theme on your Windows 11 computer. When this is finished, you should also see this screen, and down below you can just press OK. And now if you go back here, you can also modify, change a few of the toggles, change the title bars, accent colors of Windows 11 and so on. And now in this theme, you can also see that we have black wallpaper with the black taskbar, as well as the start menu is also black, and the cursor is also black included in this theme. So if you want, you can also apply the white cursor. So just open the start menu and then search for the mouse, then navigate to the change the mouse pointer display or speed. Here, make sure that you select the pointers menu, and from the scheme, make sure that you select the Windows default system scheme. Here, press apply on the bottom right, and then you can just press OK. So if you don't like this Amoled background on your Windows 11, you can just go on this website, which is called wallpapershome.com. On the top right, make sure that you search for Windows 11, but I will also put this link in the video description down below. So once you search for the Windows 11 on the top right corner, then make sure that you also navigate to the 6th page of the search for Windows 11. And here down below, make sure that you select Windows 365 wallpaper, which looks like this. And once you are on this page, you have this download option. Here I will just select the 4K version. And once you have this wallpaper, make sure that you go to this file icon and then go to the downloads folder inside the File Explorer. Here on this image, make sure that you right click and then just select this, set as desktop background. And then you can close all of the windows, and here you have it. This is full Amoled theme inside Windows 11. You have Amoled wallpaper. Now we also have Amoled taskbar as well as the start menu, which I think looks absolutely fantastic. So this is pretty much it for this video. All the required files are linked in the video description down below, as well as my wallpaper pack is also in the description down below. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel would be really awesome, and like this video as well. Have an amazing rest of your day, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.